You know that we can find inverse of a matrix easily using this formula. If one uses this formula, he get M inverse equals to 1 by sine to the power 4 theta cos 4 theta plus sine square theta cos square theta plus 2. Inside the matrix will be cos to the power 4 theta 1 plus sine square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta sine to the power 4 theta. This is the inverse matrix of the matrix given in the question M. Now we write the equation in the question. The equation is M equals to alpha I beta B M inverse. So this can be changed as M minus beta M inverse equals to alpha I. Alpha I means, you know, alpha 0 0. Now putting the values of M and M inverse in this equation, we get cos to the power 4 theta minus 1 minus sine square theta 1 plus cos square theta sine to the power 4 theta minus beta and M inverse. From here you can put the values, and the values is as written here: sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta plus sine square theta into cos square theta plus 2 and inside the matrix cos 4 theta 1 plus sine square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta sine to the power 4 theta bracket, and after the equality sign here is alpha 0 0 alpha. Now we have to compare. Suppose here you see these three matrices 1 2 and 3. I cover this part. This part is covered. You see, if you add this one and this one, you will get 0. Similarly, adding this one and this one will give 0, that is here. So this reminds that the sum of these two matrices gives us 0 and 0 at the both places. So if we have plus 1 at the cover part, so equality holds. So from here we get minus beta by sine 4 theta cos 4 theta plus cos square theta into sine square theta plus 2 plus 1. As I said, the cover part must be plus 1 and alpha. At alpha, if this one is this, if the plus covered part is plus 1, so alpha will be cos to the power 4 theta. Here something is wrong. I say here in the question it is sine to the power 4 theta. here cos to the power 4 theta. Sorry for this. And see the next. If you add these two, sin to the power 4 theta, cos to the power 4 theta, you will get alpha. Same is the case here, cos to the power 4 theta and sin to the power 4 theta, adding here also alpha. So alpha will be sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. The alpha this can be changed as 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Next step will be 1 minus 1 by 2 sin 2 theta square, and the next step will be 1 minus 1 by 4 1 minus cos 4 theta. This gives us 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 4 theta. From here alpha minimum, this indicates alpha minimum as according to question. So this will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 as minimum value of cos 4 theta minus 1. So this gives us 1 by 2. Now for beta will be minus sin 4 theta cos 4 theta plus cos square theta sin square theta plus 2. This also can be changed, sin square theta plus into cos square theta plus half square plus 2 minus 1 by 4. This can be changed again, 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta plus half square plus 7 by 4. From here we can find the minimum value. The minimum value will be when this will be 1 plus 1. So beta, minimum value of beta minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 square plus 7 by 4 equals to minus, this gives us 9 by 16 plus 7 by 4, and finally we get minus 37 by 16. We have to find alpha minimum plus beta minimum, that is 1 by 2 minus 37 by 16. This gives us minus 29 by 16. So our correct option will be B. Second option is the correct option.